Welcome to FaceTone by Studio Karma. The program is designed to tone your facial muscles, and what we want to do is to engage the muscles the same way as we would do with the rest of the body. Before we start, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the skin and then apply a serum. We're going to apply it all throughout and also with the neck to actually moisturize the skin before we exercise the muscles underneath. So, the first area, number one concern of all my clients is chin, jowls, turkey neck, and the neck. So here are 5 exercises that are gonna help you to do so. The first 3 are the ones that connect with the core of your face, which is the connection between the tongue and this area below the chin. You're going to feel a pull that tones the muscles underneath and shortens and makes you a very light lift. So the first exercise we're going to do is we're going to place the tongue between the top teeth and the top lip, like this. And we are going to trace a circle. We're going to use actually the index finger to help the movement, as in the beginning tends to be a bit difficult to make sure that we're doing the movement correctly. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Change directions. And 1, 2, 3, and last one, 4, and relax. Now we're going to repeat the exercise again. So let's go. And to your right, 1, 2, 3, and last one, 4. And change directions. To your left, 1, 2, 3, and last circle, and relax. Perfect. So now we're going to the next area, the crow's feet, an area that obviously when we smile, when we lift the corners up, we see these wrinkles, but obviously never stop smiling. This is essential for the soul, and we are here to have fun. So, however, we can improve this area. So what we're going to do, we're going to place the side of the index finger, just gently pulling the skin sideways, and we keep the finger firm. And now we're going to blink 1, open, 2, open, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now keep the eyes closed and feel the resistance. Again, it's gentle but firm because the area around the eyes is very delicate. 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. So again, we're gonna place the fingers, gently pull to the sides and up. Now we're gonna close 1, open, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the position, feel the resistance. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Excellent. Now we are going to do the massage. So again, as always, apply the oil, organic, throughout the face, the forehead, and the neck. And we are going to use the jade stone. We've done an advanced workout, so this is excellent for advanced workouts. And we are going to focus on first the cheeks, go up towards the temples, and the other side. going to go on the jaw, along, then we will go on the eyebrows, and then pull down, and the other side. The massage, I do it relatively quickly. It complements the workout and the tutorials, and it's an introduction to the benefits of combining the workout with massage. So, but you may repeat these movements several times. And then down, because they are really pleasant and beneficial. And down. And finally, the eyes, just under the eyes, go towards the temples, and the other side. And one last time. And we are done. Thank you very much for watching.